Hello, welcome to our recorded online class, Rufa. We're going to start first with our date for today. And let's see. This is our date. It is September 5, 2024. Let's start off first with counting from 1 to 20. Let's practice counting. Here we have, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there you have it. You counted from 1 to 20. And we're going to do practice counting when we have our Thursday schedule class. So let's move on to the next part, and that is to also have our lesson. Let's start with knowing our numbers. So in our numbers, we get to know first 0 and the number 1. So remember, number 0. Number 0 is the number that is for nothing or empty. So remember, that's our number for nothing, for empty. If you don't see something in a container, that's 0. And 1, there's only 1. And I have one finger up in the air, the number 1. So let's erase this one on the screen. Let's move on to the next part. And I want you to prepare a piece of paper, or maybe if you have your board with you, we are going to practice together. I'll show it up in the screen and you do the same with your work there. So let's start practicing and making the number 0. So how do we make our number 0? Make a big circle around we go. This is the way to make a 0. So again, make a big circle. Around we go. This is the way to make a 0. So here we have our number 0. The number 0 is for empty, for nothing. Number 0. And the letters in the word 0, this is how we spell it. Z, E, R, and O, 0. That's the word 0. Now, let's jump to the next part. If you're done making 0 and also spelling it out as well in your work, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video. You check for the word. Are they the same with the letters on the screen to make the word 0? Then if you're done, let's move to the next one. And let's see, we have our number 1. So after 0 is the number 1. So make a line, straight line down, and then you're done. That's the way to make 1. Again, make a straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make number 1. And your number 1 has what letters? You can spell it out also in your work. O-N-E, number 1. Again, O-N-E, the word 1, number 1. Now, if you're done writing, making the word 1 and also spelling out for the word 1, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Can I move to the next part of our work on the screen? Let's check for the next part. Let's see. We have here things that we should count and we get to mark the correct answer. So I have here the bees. How many bees do we have? Let's mark and count. So we have 1 and 2. So where's number 2? We get to circle our number 2. This is the number 2. So you remember we counted already before in our counting. Then we get to also follow counting the items on the screen. So we have two bees. Let's go to the next one. How many apples? There's only one. Where is your number 1? Number 1 is this one, number 1. So good job if you answered with me. And let's move on to the next. What about for this one? Let's check. So we have how many leaves? One, two, three, and four. Can you still remember? Where's your number four? Did I circle for four? No, that's three. That's not the right number. Is this number four? Yes, that's number four. Let's go to the next part. We have how many balls? Number one only. There's only one. Where's your number one? It's where? This one. That's number one. Okay. Good job. If you answer the right numbers here with me on the screen, let's erase the writings on the screen. Let's move on to the next. Okay, if something is empty here, there's nothing. What number do we have? There's nothing in the box there. It is zero. So where is your zero? We are going to circle for zero. This is zero. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We're done with this slide. And let's try to mark. Let's put a check mark on pictures that show zero. Remember, if it's zero, it is empty. There is nothing to it. So here, do we have the frame that shows zero? No, there is a dot on the frame. That's one. How many apples do we have? There's one. That's not zero. How about the frames? Do we have a dot? Yes, so let's check for that one. No dot for that one, sorry, that's empty. If it's empty, there is nothing. We get to check. How about the cookie? Does it have a chocolate chip? It's empty. It's an empty cookie. We get to check. In the pond, is there a frog? No, so it's empty. That's for zero. How about the gumball machine? Do we check for this one? No. That has one gumball, that's for one. How about this cookie? There's one chocolate chip, so we get to leave it. That's not for zero. What about this box? There's zero, it's empty. That is for zero. What about the hand? Does it show fingers? It's close up, that's for zero. The star, there's only one star. We get to erase. That's empty. Sorry, that's one star. We don't check for that. The gumball machine, it's empty. There's nothing there. How about this frame? There's one ball, so we don't put a check mark. So these are the pictures that show zero. If you're done answering on the screen, good job. Let's move to the next one, please. Okay, we're going to find pictures that show one. Does this show one? Yes, there's only one dot. Do we have one apple? Yes. Does this one show one? No, it shows two diamonds. What about the cookie with one chocolate chip? Ah, yes. Do we see one frog in the pond? Yes. How about the gumball in the gumball machine? Only one. What about this cookie? It has two chocolate chips. We need to leave it. That's two. How about this domino or dice rather? Does it show one dot? Yes. Does this show one? No, that's the hand showing zero. It has empty fingers. No, nothing there to show. How about this one? Nope, that's two stars. What about this frame? Nope, that has two or one? Yes, we get to check this one. That's a check, that's one. And this gumball machine, there's two. We leave it. We only need one. So these are the pictures that show number one. If you did the answer on the screen with me, good job. Let's move on to the next part, and that is to have your work. I want you to go to this page for your number sense book. We get to trace first for the number zero. So before you do your work, please write your name. Always start with your name at the top of your work. And let's start by tracing our number zero. So we have to go around and stop for your number zero. Around and stop, around and stop. See, this is how you make your number zero. So let's trace some more. And then another one. Trace. Let's go and trace again. Start always at the top. This is how you make your number 0. Now, if you're done with the work, Rufa, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be erasing this one. Let's move on to the next. Okay, here we get to also color for our number zeros. But for you, you get to use your crayon. I forgot to let you bring your dabber in your envelope, but it will be fine. On the next worksheets, you can use your dabber already, okay? So let's dab for 0 on the screen or color. And let's find all our zeros in the bubble. So do you think I am done? We have all the zeros, not yet. Let's color some more. Color all the zeros. Let's finish coloring them inside our bubble. Are we done already? Not yet. Let's finish coloring some more. Okay. These are all the zeros that you need to find in your worksheet. And don't forget, you need to color also the girl. So when you color, try not to go out of the line. You have to color inside, not out of the line. Do not pass outside of it. Try to color neatly and nice. You have to color properly. Okay, you're done already with this work. If you are done, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. But I'll be erasing for this worksheet and I'll be moving to the next one. And that is to find all our zeros. So here, let's go do the number sort. First, you get to color the boy. So color the boy on your work. Now, if you feel like teacher is being fast on the video, pause it first and you can play it again once you're done. So here, let me continue and I will color for the boy holding the number what? The number 0 because 0 is our number. 0 is the number friend that we have today. So here, 0. Sometimes 0 also looks like letter O, because you have to make 0 right around, like the orange. When you write it, you move it around. So here I'm going to trace also for the zeros. Don't forget, trace it at the bottom as well. Now, on your work, you get to cut your numbers and you only need to paste the 4 zeros in the box. So for my work, I already cut it and I'm just going to put it in the box. Now, for you, you need to cut it first on the side. Sorry, let me go back. So how about for you, you get to find it, but I will check it. And here, I have all the zeros. I'll be fixing that one in the screen later on. So I'll go back. Let me fix this one. Sorry. Let me erase. I'll go to our work and I get to put the zeros in. Okay, so our slide is here and I get to make our numbers pasted in the box. So here, I will put all the zeros inside our box there. A while ago, I was able to color and trace for the number 0. But if you're done with this work, good job. Let me move on to the next page, okay? So for this work, I want you to also do the same. Color for the girl, trace for your 0. And you get to also paste for all the pictures that shows the 0. So let's color. Let's color for the girl. And let's trace. Trace for 0. Go around and stop, around and stop, around and stop, around and stop. Now here I traced for the word 0 and I get to stick the pictures that show 0. This is 0. We have the word 0, which is Z-E-R-O. But what about this one? This is 8. This frame shows how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. We need 0. This one is 10. What about this box? It's empty. That is 0. How many dots in the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's also 7. But the frames here, it shows 0. So here we have all the things that show 0. The number sort for our 0. Now, if you're done with the work, good job. But what about we move to the next one? And that is to trace our number 1. Now, let's do 1. Let's trace it. And it's easy to make the number 1. A straight line down for the number 1, just like the stick on the ground. Go down for your number 1. By the way, you need to also do your name at the top. So you get to write your name also there on your own without the tracing that I usually do for guiding you. So go down, start at the dot at the top, straight line down like the stick on the ground. You have your number 1. See, it's easy to make number 1. I did it also on the screen. Now, what about let's move to the next one. Done with this work. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'll be moving on to the next part, and that is to color all our number 1s. So on the screen, I'll color it for you also. And if you're on this work doing good, you need to find all the ones. Color your number 1s, all the number 1s inside the bubble. Find all the ones. Do you think I'm done already? Not yet. Let's find all the ones. There are some more number 1s on the work. How about this one? Not yet. I still see 3 more and I haven't colored the girl yet. So color some more. There we have it. This is our number 1. So let's color for 1. The girl is holding number 1. This is our number 1. Okay, we have our number 1 already on the screen. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be erasing this one and I'll move to the next work. Our next work shows how to sort all our number 1s. You get to color the boy, sort your numbers, trace number 1. It's easy to make number 1, remember, a straight line down to the ground, just like the stick on the ground. Let's color for the boy on the screen. We have our number 1. Okay, let's trace also for 1. Straight line down, line down, line down. And some more, we have to do a line down. Let's space for number 1. Since you're going to cut your work there so that you can also paste it, I want you to do it. Pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Now, I'm going to continue pasting the number 1s in our box. So we have 1. Is this number 1? No, but I think this one is. Is this number 1? No, that's 3. This one, yes. Can we paste this one? This is 9. This is 10. But do we have 1? This one is 1. So this is how your work should look like. You have to color the boy, trace number 1, and paste all the ones. If you're done, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Let's remove this one. Let's go to the last page of our work for today, and that is our number sort. Again, this time you get to find pictures that show only one. So before you color, please write your name, your full name. I am going to start coloring for the girl. Again, if you feel like teacher is very fast from this video, you can pause it, play it again once you're done. I'll color for the girl. Let's continue coloring. Try not to go out of the line. We have our number 1. Remember, this is number 1. And then we get to trace for number 1. Straight line down like the stick on the ground. We have our number 1. This is 1. Then I want you to paste for number 1. This is 1. How do you spell 1? O-N-E 1. I see the frame with 1 dot. Do we have 1? No, that's 3. How many dots in this frame? 1, 2, 3, not 1. This is the word 2. How many dots in the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. But is this one? Yes, this is the number 1. So remember, our number friends today, we have 0 and 1 for today. And this is the last page of your work. Now, if you're done already, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'll move to the next part, and that is to remind you you did a good job working today if you finish your work. And this is your sticker friend again. This one is Gabby and her cats. So again, good job for doing the work today, and I'll get to see you in our next class, Rufa. Bye-bye.